If there are devices connected to your iPhone's hotspot, then you're gonna see this icon here. Now, if you want to see how many devices are connected to your iPhone's hotspot, scroll down to the control center, and then in this networks section, long press on that until you see this, and under personal hotspot, you can actually see how many devices are connected. For me, it says 2 connections. That means 2 devices are connected to my hotspot. Now, to see who is actually connected to the hotspot, or to see the actual devices connected to your hotspot, then go to settings. Under settings, tap on mobile service. In some iPhones, this is going to be cellular data. So tap on that, and then under mobile data or under cellular service, somewhere here you should see personal hotspot. Tap on that, and then as you can see, I have my Acer PC connected, and I have my Samsung S24 Ultra connected. So you can actually see exactly who is connected to your iPhone's hotspot. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.